Hi, welcome to my channel. This is my review of the Hushing white noise portable white noise machine. Bought this on Amazon. It is about $18.99, just under $20. If you're on the market for a white noise machine, buy this one. This thing it's awesome. I use this to help me sleep every night. In fact, this I just bought. This is my second purchase. I have one that I left at my parents' house, and I just decided to buy another one, although it is very easy to just throw it in your pocket or your bag and take it with you if you're going to a hotel, if you're going to spend the night at a friend's house, wherever you're going. This is an awesome little white noise machine. It's the speakers on the bottom and your buttons are on the top. Once you turn it on, you flip it over so that the speaker's on the top, and you can see on the bottom it's got a grippable ring to hold it in place. Okay, you've got your power button, and then you got your timer button. 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or continuous. I usually just leave it on continuous, and I just charge it up as soon as I wake up in the morning. I just put it on a charger, and then when I come home, it's ready to go, and I just let it run all night. And it's got a lot of different volume levels. I think it said 29. It's got a lot of different volume levels. That's about as loud as you really want a white noise machine to be. So you would need it any louder than that. Now, it is USB-C to charge it, and if you put it on a charger, it can just run continuously non-stop. And it's got a whole bunch of sounds. A lot of sounds on there. I think that's a fan. I think it's a train. That's a thunderstorm. Babbling brick. Another babbling brick. I think that's the ocean, I think. The beach. Oh, there's a dripping faucet. There's some birds. I think it's a fire. I think it's a different fire. Oh, that's a train. And just some peaceful music. There's so many sounds on this thing. I think that's the one I'm going to pick. Really nice white noise machine. It's so portable. It's got this little lanyard thing on here. And it's so easy to take it wherever you want to go. It's really, really nice just for when you're sleeping and it's just completely silent. I can't stand that. I need like some sort of noise to be able to sleep. So I use this every single night. It's really portable, and it works really well.